I've walked the road of broken dreams, shadows whisper calling me. Every step, a choice I made, some were right, some led to pain. But I can't run, I can't hide, the truth is burning deep inside. I'm reaching out, though I'm afraid, hope and mercy calls my name. I'm a sinner, lost and blind, falling down 1,000 times, but I'm searching for the light. Can you hear me through the night? Torn apart by my regrets, chained by things I won't forget, but every scar and every fall tells a story after all. I can't run, I can't hide, the truth is burning deep inside. I need grace to lift me up, let me know I'm still enough. I'm a sinner,